It's that time once again for The Law and You, featuring the area's premier attorneys. Today we have attorney Ed Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman with us. Great to have you guys on.
We should have Christmas hats on. We should have Santa Claus hats on.
We are not in the holiday spirit.
I would look good in one.
Not out here, but at heart we are.
Yes.
And you guys are always in the giving spirit, helping everyone in need. So let's get to this question submitted by Brian in Wilkes-Barre. Brian says, I work at a large manufacturing facility and I think I lost some of my hearing because of the noise in the facility. Can I recover? What do you say, guys?
You absolutely can. We're, in fact, you know, we're litigating how many of these cases right now?
A bunch.
Yeah, I mean, you know, probably a couple dozen of these cases for some local, you know, workers who they didn't have the right hearing, you know, protection, and ultimately over the years, you know, their hearing was affected. So yes, you absolutely can recover for these cases. Let Greg talk to you a little bit more about the specific types of cases they are and what we're going to need to do to prove this for
Yeah, and they're technically a specific loss case, and an audiologist can do the studies. We get a doctor to you know, make a determination how much is actually attributable to the work environment, and they actually come up with a calculation. The good thing, though, is with these cases, we've seen the manufacturers are now taking steps since we filed these cases to make it a safer workplace for these workers, and that's really what matters. These people are going to have a safer environment. Hopefully we won't get any more of these cases, and they're doing the right thing by, you know, addressing that issue.
All right, some important information there. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
If you have a question, you can reach out to the attorneys for help. You can call them at the hotline, go to their website. Ed and Greg, thanks so much for being here, and have a great Christmas.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
you can also find more information on pahomepage.com.